another video. Let me get my stuff right. We back with another trading session. We did have CPI come out at 8:30. We did have CPI news come out at 8:30. The market kind of reacted good to it. The news was great. The news was good, so the market acted good to it. And we had a little gap up overnight. We had a little gap up overnight. Good morning in the chat. Good morning in the chat. 1 second. But yeah, we got 1 more minute till the market opens. If you don't know, I do journal my trades. I journal my trades for myself. The market just opened. I journal my trades for myself. I go over my trades when the market is closed, just to tighten my craft a little bit. So we just watching these charts. So today the 585 level on SPY is what we're watching. 585 and that 590 level. We need to get over that level. The QQQ is that 510 level we need to get over. We're over the level, but let's see if we can hold. So yeah, we just watching these charts, man. Y'all already know I'm looking for a trend. We're trying to find a trend. Once we find a trend, I'm looking for a pullback. And once we find a pullback, I'm trying to find my entry. So we're just gonna watch the charts, see what they want to do today. We only can do what the charts gonna do today. What it do, Mason? So we got AMD with us, Microsoft. AMD is sitting over pre-market high right now. I mean, a pre-market low right now. Let me pull it up. AMD pretty strong. First candle. We are on a 2-minute candle right now. 2-minute candles right now. I do trade the 2-minute candles for the first 30 minutes of the market. Y'all see AMD. AMD pretty strong. Apple. But yeah, if you guys see anything that I don't see, call them out in the chat and we'll look at it, see what it's looking like. At the moment, I like this AMD. Let me look at AMD's hourly chart right quick. So 119 is the level on AMD, 119.31. If we can get above that level, we can get some movement going on AMD, but it look like we're getting rejected right now. So let's just hold tight to see what's going on right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we are a little choppy just because Meta's pretty strong because we already had made a big move overnight or this morning. So we're going to find us a surgical entry. So SPY's pretty strong right now. Hasn't gone red yet. Let's see. Apple. All right, let me look at this Meta right here. Let me see what Meta looking like. Meta might be retesting that pre-market high right there. Let me check the hourly. Yeah, we need Meta to get over this 612 level. We can bounce off this pre-market high right here, a break and retest. We can find an entry right there. But look like we kind of reversing, probably gonna wick off. Let's see what happens on Meta. Apple looking pretty good also. Nvidia selling off. And Broadcom. All right, so Meta's bouncing off that 9 EMA right there, that green line right there, and the VWAP. Still just watching, just watching the market. So Meta's under VWAP right now. Y'all see that? So yeah, we might look like we rejecting those highs. We're rejecting the highs of pre-market at the moment. Hopefully we don't move sideways again today. Man, all right, Meta. Let's see if Meta can close above this pre-market high right here. We can close above this pre-market high. We can see what's up with Meta. But the rest of the market looks like it's bearish at the moment. Yeah, not enough information right now to pull the trigger on anything. Just watching. It's only 9:37. Maybe trying to fill that gap up from that CPI news. Probably fill it toward the downside. All right, we got Nvidia, very weak. No, why my levels never update? Apple's holding its highs. Apple is holding its highs. Look at Apple. I'm gonna load up Apple calls. I'm gonna load up Apple calls. Apple 237.5. But hold on real quick. Let me see if the market is. just bouncing off them lows. Apple is holding its highs at the moment. Apple has a strong level at 237. Yeah, Apple got a level at 237. I'm gonna hold off on Apple real quick. We need Apple over that 237 level. That's what it's getting rejected off of right now. Apple 237. Oh shit. That's a great entry. But I need Apple over that 237. I'll wait. I'm not gonna chase Apple at the moment. Need Apple over that 237. All right, Meta. Tesla reversed. Meta went down, got rejected off VWAP. My bad, guys. I'm just looking at these candles. I don't see anything really at the moment. AMD looking pretty solid. There goes Apple. I just ain't want to be aggressive with Apple today. CPI came out, and I'm trying to be cautious. You know what I'm saying? Apple need to get over that 237.60. Man, AMD. Damn, that was a good entry on AMD. Apple bought the let's see if it gets rejected. I don't like those wicks right there. I don't like that. Hopefully we ain't choppy today. I don't know. I thought we would be getting some way bigger movements right now. Microsoft. Not a lot of momentum right now. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens, man. It's 9:43. We got about 15 minutes on these 2-minute candles. Spot holding its lows pretty strong at the moment. Apple gonna grind slow as hell to the upside. Everything is recovering right now. Tesla pulling back. Apple gonna fly by the level. 237.60 is what I'm waiting on the Apple. Look like I should have took that entry. It's all good. We'll find something. What's going on, Mindful Manners? Yeah, I do this every day, man. Day trading every day. Way better than a 9 to 5. Way better. I'll show you here in a minute if we can get us some charts moving. AMD is staying above its highs. I like how Tesla keep getting wicked. Let me check something right quick. 414 on Tesla. NVIDIA made a move. Damn. I only just found out that options can be day traded. Yeah, they can. Options can be day traded, swing traded. You can long-term hold options. Oh, yeah. But I like day trading, man. I like going to get that money every day. You know what I'm saying? I like going to get it every day. I'm over here lacking. I could have made an entry on at least 2 of these stocks, but I'm just playing the CPI cautious at the moment. Could have definitely entered Microsoft and look at Microsoft. I updated all my levels. I don't know why my old levels showing. Anybody ever have that issue on TradingView? When you bring up like 3 or 4 charts, your levels don't goddamn. My levels won't. All right, I put it at 260. My levels won't load on the third chart. Damn, look at Microsoft, AMD. All right, we're pretty strong today, guys. Look like the bulls are in the market today. The bulls are in the market today. God damn, look at Microsoft. Shit. Haven't had any kind of pullback yet, so that's what we're waiting on. This Meta looking pretty decent though. Meta hasn't made a push yet. Damn, I was just finna enter Meta. $9.48 on the time right now. Charts are very strong right now. Charts are very strong right now. Let's see if we get rejected on this pre-market high. If we can get above this pre-market high, we'll be good. Let's see if Tesla can get above this pre-market high and close above. Damn, we strong. I ain't had no pullback, no kind of clean pullback. I haven't had anything that was clean. I'm gonna watch for a good while. All right, my boy or girl. I don't know if you're a boy or girl. My bad. I don't want to disrespect you. All right, if Tesla can close above this pre-market high right here, we'll take an entry. Why not? See if we can retest this pre-market high. It's 950 on the time right now. We're having a little pullback right now. Just watching right now, guys. We just now had some push in the market, a little push in the market. Got one more minute on this 2-minute candle. Let's see what it does. Oh, you said you're a lady? Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Miss Ma'am. I'm gonna call you Auntie. I don't know how old you is, but that's gonna be your name for right now, Auntie. Damn, I should have just entered metal, bruh. I'm watching Tesla though. If Tesla can hold above this pre-market high, we'll take an entry. We need to get above this pre-market high though. Right here, this green dotted line. We need to get above it. And we need to stay above it. I like that spot also, but it's going up to that 9. It's going into that. Yeah, I like that spot as well. I'm gonna load up spot calls. 593. 593. If we pass this calendar right here on spot, I'll take an entry. 593 is my strike price. Actually, 592. My bad. If we get rejected, we probably gonna get rejected. But if we pass this calendar, this previous calendar right here on spot, I'll take an entry. We'll ride it up to 595 if we can get there today. All right, I'm about to take an entry on SPY. Still waiting for this candle. See if we can get past this candle. SPY and QQQ looking good. Getting rejected a little bit. Of course, we getting rejected a little bit. Look at that shit. All right. Y'all see we getting rejected off of that pre-market high. So there's my entry right there. I'm not even gonna take an entry at the moment. You see we got rejected. Let's see if we can pull back and get some momentum back above that pre-market high, that dotted line right there. I like this QQQ as well. Not gonna lie, it's not very, very clean charts right now. It's decent charts. I ain't gonna lie, it's decent charts. Not a lot of clean charts. Not a lot of push. All right, let's see if SPY can get above that pre-market high again, and we'll take an entry. I kind of like this QQQ over SPY, to be honest. I kind of like that QQQ over SPY. QQQ has a trend line right there. Yeah, that's a level. That 514 level. We need to get above 514, 515 on QQQ. Look like we ain't doing nothing but finna go back in range. Let's see. The SPY is getting rejected off that 590, 591 level. Okay, older than you by a few years, it looked like. I'm 31. I ain't too old. But yeah, you probably is older than me. I still consider myself young. Yeah, we having a little rejection in the market right now. But let's see. Let's see if we just pulling back or did we change the movement of the market? I'm pretty sure it's just pulling back right now though. Tesla still holding those lows. It's still holding that consolidation right there. You see that? I like that right there. See if it makes another attempt to get above that 590, 591 level, then pre-market level, pre-market high. See if we make another attempt. We need to get past this level right here. We need to get past it. Where did you get in Tesla at? I haven't got in Tesla yet. I'm watching Tesla. Haven't got in yet. I'm waiting for it to break and hold over pre-market high. It broke one time right here, but it came back down under pre-market high. Now it's trying to get back above pre-market high right here. I still got them SPY contracts loaded. I'm looking at SPY as well. All right, SPY is making another comeback. Got rejected a little bit. There goes Tesla. We need a level. One of these charts to hold above our levels. I'm checking the other charts right now. AMD. All right, there goes SPY right there. Let's see if we can hold above that. You know what I'm gonna go ahead and do though? 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. guys, I moved to the 5-minute chart. As you can see right now, I'm on the 2-minute. 10 a.m. I moved to the 5-minute chart just because it gives me less candles. And I can get a cleaner vision of my entries, exits, pullbacks, trends, all that. Damn, SPY. Shit. All right, I'm gonna move to my 5-minute. I'm gonna go ahead and move to my 5 minutes before I make a old stupid entry. Let me move to the 5-minute charts. 5 minutes. All right, look like Tesla held that pre-market high. I'm waiting on. I really want this SPY. I ain't gonna lie. I really want this SPY right here. SPY and QQQ. I'll take an entry on both of them if it gives it to me. There's Tesla right there. All right, I'm looking at SPY. Here's my pullback containment candle, and now we grind it back. I'm loading up SPY calls. 592. I'll choose the 592 strike price on SPY. If we pass this red candle right here, I'll take an entry. We have 20 23 more seconds on this candle. We are on a 5-minute chart. If we pass this candle right here, I will take an entry. My stop loss will be below this candle right here, below this red pullback candle. You see it pull back? It pulled back right at my pre-market high. All right, so we pass this candle right here, I'll take an entry. We got to get past it, though. QQQ already giving me an entry. Look at that. That's an entry right now, QQQ. But I ain't taking it. I'm waiting on SPY. You say you trade future, but always ignore options. Learning them helped me understand futures a little more, though. Yeah, I haven't stepped into that futures game. I watch it a lot. Hey, I'm about to take my entry on SPY. I'm choosing the 592 strike price. All right, I'm in SPY. Just got in. We had a great containment candle. SPY held the pre-market high, and we're going to see if we can ride the wave up. We are sitting at break even right now. SPY held the pre-market high right here, and that's where I took my entry. You see we went up, SPY came up, retested pre-market high, and we came back. We held pre-market high, and then I took an entry. We're up 3% right now. QQQ was a great entry too. They both had the same entry at the same time. Let's go. We up 5%. We up 5% right now. Actually back to 2%. 2.8. We're just gonna hold this. Our stop loss will be below this previous candle. If we get below this previous candle, I'll exit. My stop loss is below this previous candle. And our next pivot is sitting right on my 595 level. Y'all see that? Sitting right on my 595 level. So we down 3% right now. SPY still holding. There's no reason to exit. Damn, I should have took that QQQ. Look at QQQ, man. I should have took that. Hopefully SPY can show me something right quick. Let's go, SPY. So that 590 is that a weekly level? Let me check the hourly chart. Damn, QQQ. I should have took that one. It's all good though. Damn, Meta as well. As soon as I take my eyes off of Meta, man, Meta want to go crazy. That's crazy. How much you entered the trade with? I got 10 contracts. My strike price is 592. My average was about 160. But if you guys know the market, everything is times by 100. So my average was about $160. I'm sitting up at 2% right now. We up 2%. Y'all can do the math. I don't really like giving no numbers out like that, but you can do the math. If you're not a bot in the chat, you know what I mean? We at 3% right now. We're trading SPY. That's crazy that SPY hasn't made a push like QQQ though. That's what I wanted. We up though. We still up 1%. Let me glance at these other charts. Got 42 seconds on this candle. 42 seconds on this candle. We are on the 5-minute chart. My stop loss on SPY is this 9 EMA right here, or behind this candle, this 9 EMA. If we touch that 9 EMA, I will exit. That's my stop loss. If we can get a push, I'll move my stop loss to break even, but I need to get a push. Ain't no bot player I'm trading right now, too. I ain't stepped in any plays. All right, my boy. What y'all trade? The S&P? I trade the S&P. Mostly, I trade 10 stocks. SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Google, Tesla. Stocks like those right there. That's the stocks I trade. I will sometimes look at Broadcom, MU sometimes. I'll glance at those. But yeah. So SPY has held above the pre-market high. Y'all see that? SPY has held above the pre-market high. So if we can sit and keep holding this level, we really ain't got nowhere to go but up, right? We gonna see. But y'all do know the market can do whatever it wants to do. So if we just pull back under this level, I'll just exit. I'll take my L. That's one thing about trading, guys. Y'all gotta know. You gotta learn how to take your L. If you take an L, you just gotta bounce back. You know what I'm saying? We getting rejected a little bit. We getting rejected. Like I said, my stop loss is this 9 EMA right here. I am down 14% right now, but I'm holding. There's no reason to exit at the moment. I'm holding right now. We're getting a little rejected off of the pre-market high right there. You say you trade SPY and NVIDIA, probably most of them good stocks, though. I traded a few like Amazon and Apple. Oh, yeah. I love trading SPY, QQQ. I love trading Tesla. Y'all don't know Tesla. Tesla can move like $20, $30 a day. I'm mad I missed this Meta, though. I'm really mad I missed this Meta. Y'all look what Meta did. I was watching Meta when it was down here. I was like, all right, we can get past that consolidation. I'll get in. As soon as it went up, it pulled back. That's a pullback counter right there. But it looks like it's getting rejected right now. So let's see. We only can do what the market want to present to us. And futures, ES, NES, oil, gold. Yeah, I watch them. I just don't trade. I don't trade futures. Haven't got into it yet. None of that. None of that Bitcoin. None of that. I haven't got into none of that. All I trade is the S&P. That's just what I started trading. I just never went to trade anything else. I got locked in that, started making a little bread off of that, and shit. All right, so SPY's coming back. SPY's reversing. I am down 20% right now. I'm still holding though. Still holding. Hasn't hit my stop loss. My stop loss is this 9 EMA. If we touch this 9 EMA, I will exit. But we are kind of getting rejected, so let's see. Actually, QQQ is pulling back as well. QQQ is pulling back as well. Got one more minute. Okay, so SPY got rejected off of that pre-market high. That's a good sign right there. Like I said, we holding our lows. We holding our lows. You say you traded Bitcoin only twice, easy 2,000 both times. I'm telling you, bruh. People don't. Damn. I thought it was gonna hold for me for a pullback. I was waiting on a pullback right here on QQQ, but it's all good. We still in SPY though. We are sitting at break even. So if you got in with me and you scared, get out. If you scared, get out. But we just wicked off the 9 EMA. That's why I chose that 9 EMA as my stop loss. Because the 9 EMA, when the chart is trending, it likes to bounce off of that 9 EMA. You see, we wicked off of it. So hopefully we don't even go back down that way. But let's see. You say you traded the micros too, traded big. Oh yeah. Let's see what these other charts are doing right now, though. we still sitting. We at -2% right now. Damn, SPY do not like this 591, 592 level, man. SPY just don't wanna push off of it. I don't know why. Let's see why though. So we got some consolidation at the 591. Yeah, we really free range right now until 595 level. We really free range right now. Down 7% right now. We still getting rejected. I'm still holding SPY right now. I'm holding SPY right now. Let's go, SPY. SPY don't want to give us no bread today. That's crazy. We're trying to make it a quick day. We're trying to make it a 20, 30-minute day. Get a couple bands out of SPY and then we call it a day. You know what I mean? All right, Tesla got a nice pullback right there. Y'all see that? If I pull out my Fibonacci, I bet you Tesla is bouncing off my 2.36 level. How much you want to bet? Exactly. I can eyeball this shit at this point. You see how Tesla bouncing off my 236 level right here? That's a great sign for another push. We pull back and then we can push off of that 236 level. Y'all see SPY, we still strong, I'm only down 3% right now. I'm still holding. But on this Fibonacci right here, I like the 2.36 level and the 0.382 level. Those are the levels I like for Fibonacci. If y'all want to see my settings, here's my settings right here. You know, I don't care. I give y'all all the game. I want everybody to win, everybody to make some money, especially our culture. We need to make this bread. Let me see. All right, here's my my settings for Fibonacci. I only changed the 0.3 and the 0.2. The rest of them I leave gray lines. And then I just changed those two to red. We minus 9% right now. I mean, not 9%, minus 3% right now. But yeah, those are my settings for fib retracement. But like I said, SPY. Nah, that's a good entry on Tesla if you wanted to get into it. You said SPY lagging. We haven't recontested that level, but still have a lower high on this candle. Yeah, SPY playing. I don't know what SPY playing, but it's looking good. You see that? We holding all our high, all our lows. Once we got above the pre-market high, we still held that level. These are 5-minute candles. All right, now we starting to make a push. All right, we up 3% right now. But you see how we held 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes we held this area. So as soon as we break that area or break that consolidation right there, a little small consolidation right now, or you can call it a bull flag because it is shaped like a kind of like a flag. As soon as we get past that consolidation, we can find us. Should be in the money. What trading platform do I use? I'm on TradingView right now. TradingView. That's the trading platform I use. We're still sitting at break even right now on SPY. Sitting at break even on SPY. Y'all know, man, the grind up is always slower than the fall down. Puts gonna always get that money faster than calls. Calls is just gonna be a slow grind up, but you just gotta have that patience. That patience to hold them stock. You see how long I held this? We up 7% right now. Take trims if you need your green. We up 7% right now. Take trims if you need the gains. We need to get a push. Come on, SPY. We need to push. Let's see if everything else, what's holding up the market right now. Meta got a decent entry. Come on, SPY. Give me a push today. The days I don't get in SPY be going crazy. Damn, SPY. 20 seconds on this candle. I appreciate it, my boy. I don't know how to say your name, my boy. Nico. Keep the shit up, the grind up. Even if you think nobody watching, I appreciate you. Appreciate that, my boy. Appreciate you. Man, when I started trading, dog, I ain't have nobody that. I kind of had to get it out the mud. Like, I joined a couple Discord. They just didn't really trade how I like the trade. I like the trend, you know what I'm saying? I like to find the trend and ride the trend. I don't like trading over reverses, all that confusion. No, I like to be simple with this shit. Find the trend and just find your pullback and get into the trend. I don't like looking for a level trying to get a reverse. I'd rather just find the trend and play on the trend. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see, man. Yeah, if y'all don't know, I just booted up my Discord about a week or two ago. I'm still adding a lot of stuff to it. So just bear with me. But yeah, I did start on my Discord. I just had too many people asking me like to help them with this shit. So I started my Discord. I do got a one-on-one. I told y'all that was a great entry on Meta, but I do got a one-on-one channel in my Discord. If you do just need some help, I give you all the knowledge I know, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. All right. So SPY's grinding higher. We just sitting in the grind. We holding the pre-market high. There's no reason to exit right now. No reason to exit right now. It's pronounced Nano. Hello, brother. Nano, the name. Okay, where you from, Nano? That's a real name? That's unique. All right, we still in SPY, guys. We still in SPY. We are up 2% right now. We was up 7% up here, but I don't know why SPY don't want to move right now. This shit crazy to me. And watch, the day I don't be in SPY, I just be looking at SPY going crazy. And I be having that FOMO, feeling of missing out, and I be like, oh well, SPY. But the day I get in, it don't want to move like that. Hopefully we get us a push here in a minute. We at 4% right now. All right, there we go. Let's go. Go get the money, SPY. Come on now. I'm trying to make it an early payday. Early day. All right, we up 10% right now. All right, so I'll move my stop up to this pre-market low. I'm gonna move my stop. Pre-market high. This green level, that's my pre-market high. I do mark these levels before the market opens. My pre-market high. That's my pre-market high. Those are the levels you want to kind of mark on your chart every day, man. Pre-market high, pre-market low, the previous day's high, and the previous day's low. If the next day you see those candles getting passed, you know that it's probably going to be a good trend about to start. If you see those levels getting passed, it's probably going to be a good trend. Let me ask, you get the people who know what you do, but be in the damn way. I had a homegirl like that, but had to cut her super broke butt off. Ooh, whoa, I do not want to talk about friends and trading. Man. Hey, we up 11%. I'm holding right now. We up 11% though. Friends and trading. Man. I had to cut everybody off. I ain't gonna lie. I had to cut family off. I had to like keep everything tight because ain't nobody gonna like what you doing. They gonna think you just gambling. And then now the Squid Game shit come out. So now people I talk to, like, oh, you gonna be the next person on Squid Game. And I guess somebody, I ain't watched it. My wife watched it, but she was telling me it was somebody on there that was trading. And I think he blew up some money or something like that on that new Squid Game. So now everybody got the joke. Oh, you the next man gonna be on Squid Game. Nah, bro. I'm not on nothing like that. But yeah, we up 11% on SPY. We up 11% on SPY. I am in the 592 strike prices. Expiration date is today. I am in the 0 DTE expirations. And all zero DTE mean is that those contracts end today. So anytime you in zero DTE contracts, they gonna give you a little bit more bread. So always remember that. If your setup looking good, I would trade zero DTE. Look at Meta, man. I told y'all there was an entry, didn't it? I'm sitting here talking. I could have took another entry. But we on SPY. We up 11%. My stop loss on SPY will be this pre-market low right here. I mean pre-market high right here. Why I keep saying that? They want you to tell them, tell me, but won't read a signal book. I was, oh my God, that shit right there. I would get. I had a homeboy. I used to give him all the knowledge. I gave him everything. I was like, hey, do this, read this. I just read this. I learned this. It'd be like they just don't want to listen. You know what I'm saying? You can't push a grown person. That's one thing I learned. You can't push a grown person. You gotta let a grown person do what they want to do. Because a grown person gonna make their own decisions. But yeah, man, we back break even right now. The SPY still holding these highs right here. Let's see. I did take a small trim when we got to 11%. Should I enter in this trade on the bottom of this red candle? Let me see. Hold up. So if this candle, which we have 3 minutes on this red candle, if it doesn't regain momentum and get back above this candle, this previous candle, so if this red candle closes and doesn't pass this previous candle, yes, that would be a great entry, but you have to wait till the next candle. This is just how I trade. I trade on pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you're an aggressive trader, have at it, go in there. But I wouldn't go in until we pass these candles. This will be a containment candle, but we need to get past this candle. And I will wait till the next candle. I ain't gonna lie to you. Wait for the next candle to pass, so you'll have a clear stop loss. You can use the stop loss behind that red candle. If we don't pass it on these last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Nah, why I say that? The same shit to her. You grown, I can't make you. Oh yeah. I know you sound like a sister. But yeah, I already know how it is. I already know how it is. Especially people in our culture. Think about it. I ain't really know. I haven't seen any of my family members do no trading. I ain't even having no family members talk about stocks. I'm just a hustler. I just research a lot. I'm a Googler. I Google the shit out of some shit before I enter it or entertain a new career or something. I would do months of research. And that's with anything I do. If you go to my YouTube, you can go to my YouTube and see all the businesses I done started up on my old videos. I research like a mug, like to the T before I do it. You looking for a new higher high? Yes, sir. Looking for a higher high on SPY. But it's pulling back. It's not pulling back too much, so we sitting down -1% right now. This shit is a slow grind, bruh. This is crazy. We've been in this trade about 45 minutes. 30, 45 minutes. All right, we got one more minute on this candle. So yeah, whoever asked me about that entry, yeah, that would be a decent entry. If you want to risk it, that'll be a decent entry. But this is what I don't like right here, though. I'm gonna show you something. You see this volume right here at the bottom, down here? That red candle volume is higher than the green candles. You see that? Now, sometimes that can be an indication of a reversal coming up, or the bears are almost in control. that could be a situation that happens. And all bear, and y'all know what bulls and bears mean. I ain't gotta go simple like that, but yeah, that all it means. The bear's probably in control. I wouldn't take it unless you're aggressive. If you're aggressive trader, hell yeah, go ahead. But yeah, we got one more minute. So right here, see. So we got a containment candle. So if this next candle passes this candle, that'll be a nice entry. But we still pulling back. So let's see. If we pull back under this 9 EMA, I will take my L on my runners. I have took a trim when we got to 11%. I took a trim. But my runners, all I got is runners in. Stop loss, break even. But on this stop loss, I'll just leave it pre-market high just because we got a strong, decent level sitting there. So I'll just keep it at the pre-market high, see what we can do. So on my runners, we down 8% right now, 7%. Now y'all see how we bouncing off that 9 EMA. Hopefully we can bounce off that 9 EMA and then go get the money. But you see how it's still pulling back though? You want to wait to enter. If you wanted to enter, you want to wait for the next candle to form and pass the pullback candle. We have to pass this candle with the next candle, if you get my drift. And let me go ahead and pull my Fibonacci out to see what level we rejecting at. All right. So just like I said on this meta, before meta just made that candle right there, we bouncing off the 236 level. 236 level is one of the strongest levels the fibs will bounce off of. So I will keep entertaining this trade for a minute. We down 5% right now. It's a slow grind. But CPI came out. They already made a big move this morning, so probably not gonna get a lot of great momentum moves. But let's see though. Still holding spy. We down 6% right now. Let's see what these other stocks doing. Everything look like it's moving sideways, man. Everything looked like it made the move. I like how SPY is holding, but we need a push. We need a push, SPY. So we just gonna wait on SPY, man. AMD looked like it was gonna get the money today, but didn't even do nothing. Hopefully SPY don't curl in reverse. If it does, I'll just take my L on the runners. I already paid myself half. When we went up 10%, I already paid myself half. Half my contracts I took off. When we got up here to about 11%, I took off half the contracts. So now I only have half in for my runners. This is called what the hell? Hold up real quick. All right. But yeah, this is called reverse risk management. All right, we're down 3%. You see, we bounced off that 8, 9 EMA. I use a 9 EMA, but 8, 9 EMA, same thing. Oh, my battery dying. Hold on, guys. My broker battery dying. I trade off my iPad over here. All right, we good. All right, so SPY. We need SPY to bounce off this 9 EMA and and get busy. We got 25 seconds on this candle. Whoever just asked me about entering SPY, if the next candle passes this pullback candle, yeah, that's a great entry. We got 16 seconds left on this candle. 16 seconds. We down 5%. I entered SPY over here. This is where I entered SPY. Come on, SPY, let's go. Do something for me. See what I'm talking about? We passing the pullback candle. Well, we about to pass, and we ain't passed it yet. It's crazy. We sitting at 2% right now. Sitting at negative 1% right now. Come on, SPY. SPY do not want to move today. That's crazy. That's crazy. Everything rejecting a little bit. My stop loss is going to be this 9 EMA on my runners. 9 EMA on my runners. We got up to 11% right here. I trimmed a little bit. Now I'm in runners trying to see what SPY wants to do. We may grind higher. We may hit my stop loss. If we hit my stop loss, I'll take my exit on these runners. We already got the money on half our runners right here. I'm just looking at these other stops. We pulling back a little bit. Yeah, see, we still pulling back. All right. I'm still holding SPY. Finger on the trigger, though. I ain't gonna lie. Finger is on the trigger on these runners. Let me see if we can wick off. Finger on the trigger on the runners. The runners are down 11% right now. We still wicking off though. I'm still in the trade. Let's see what SPY gonna do. I thought it would have been made the move though. Market's been open for an hour. It's 10:32 right now. Come on, SPY. Let's go. Give me something today. We got one more minute on this candle. I don't like that grind down right there. Hopefully it's just a pullback. Yeah, got some sideways action in the market at the moment. Haven't got a real push. All right, SPY's at my stop. All right, let's see if we can wick. If we don't wick, I'll get out. Look like they killing contracts right now. All they doing is killing contracts. Killing contracts. All right, we wicking off. I'm still holding. We down 17% on the runners. On the runners. You say you took 16 from SPY? Damn, when you got in? You must have got in before me. All right, we wicking off. I'm still holding. We still wicking. We still holding my levels. There's no reason to exit right now. No reason to exit right now. We wicked all the way off of that level. Hopefully, we got 14 seconds on this candle. How you got 16? I only got up to 11%. I took half of them off at 11, but come on, SPY. We still grinding lower. Y'all see that? That's not a good sign. Grinding lower. Meta went and got the money today. Meta was the chart today. Damn, SPY. Look at MU. Never had a pullback though. Look at Meta. Meta went and got the money today. It was a little ugly, but it got up there. That's the pullback I was spotting out to you guys right there. That pullback. All right, SPY. SPY's at my stop. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm out of SPY. Out of SPY. Out of SPY. I got 11% on the runners. I mean, 11% on the have the contracts. Those runners just took 15% L on my runners, but that's okay. Like I said, if you guys know the market, you got to learn how to take your L's, learn how to take your W's. I paid myself for half the contracts, and we still in the green. Fucking SPY, bro. Let me see something. 101.6 is a level. I think it might reject off again or break through and start that downtrend. I almost tapped that view. Yeah, that's the level I was trying to get. I took an early entry, ain't gonna lie, but that's the level out. It had got across the level and it was holding. That's why I got in, but look like it's about to get rejected off of that motherfucker. It tried. Market said, not today. Not today, baby. All right, man. Market moving sideways at the moment. Let's go through these stocks and see what's going on. Apple went up, just consolidating at the moment. That's crazy. SPY still bouncing. If SPY just bouncing, I ain't gonna fuck with SPY. Yeah, so after CPI news, it already made the big move over at 8:30. That's why we ain't getting a lot of movement. You know what I'm saying? We already made the big move. But we get some decent movement. It's just a slow grind. You gotta sit in them contracts. You know what I'm saying? You stepping in if it rejects. SPY. We'll see. It's still getting rejected. I might get another entry. Let me see. Look, QQQ got rejected too. I'll probably take one more stab at it. Got one more minute on this candle. It got rejected again. One more minute on this candle. Let's see. We think it might consolidate at the level a bit. It's been consolidating. I would think it should have been made the move because it got above the level and it was holding right here. That 591 level, it was holding right here. But I need a candle. We got four red candles in a row. And you see the volume. The volume is way higher than the last green candle. So that's a sign that The Bears could be in the market. The Bears could be in there making the push not happen. That could be a reason. But like I said, the market gonna do what the market gonna do. You just got to be the one. Us as traders, we just got to be the one to adjust to it. All right, now SPY close. It's closing right on the level, so I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps going down right here. I wouldn't be surprised. See what I'm saying? That volume is too much for the Bulls right now. The volume of the Bears is too much. Even though it's not a lot of volume, it's enough to make the chart not want to push. You know what I'm saying? Look what I said. I seen them 3 red candles. That was a great exit. I seen them 3 red candles. And just wasn't looking right for me, man. Just wasn't looking right for me. Let's see. I don't see anything else. Feel like everything already made the move it wanted to make today. So usually about 10:30, 10:45, 11, I turn the charts off. I glance again about 12, 1 o'clock, see what's going on. Yeah. Microsoft made this move, fizzling out a little bit. What time is it? 10:41. AMD tried to do something. Came right back down to that yesterday's high. Yeah, SPY playing, man. Y'all see SPY playing. Broadcom look like it's doing the same thing. MU went and got the money though, but we never had a pullback. Never had a pullback. Oh shit, SPY. Okay, what you want to do, SPY? What you want to do? You gonna keep getting rejected? Or we gonna go get the money? Like what we gonna do, SPY? Oh man, just messed up my damn broker. My bad, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, there we go. It might make the move tomorrow. SPY might get busy tomorrow, man. I'm probably about to call it a wrap at the moment. Probably come look at the charts about 12:1. If I see anything, I'll put it in Discord. Look like we're getting rejected a little bit. Yeah, man. Amazon turning around. Too much consolidation for me, man. I like to see trends, big trends. I just enter the trend. Yeah, we still getting rejected. Yep. All right, guys, man. I'm gonna call it a wrap, dog. I'm gonna call it a wrap. I am live every day. Every day the market is open, I'm live. 9:25 a.m. until every day. So y'all come in here if you ain't got nothing going on, all we doing watching the stocks. If you see something I don't see, hey, let me know. It's better to have more than one eyes on the market. Cause we all trying to get this money, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I do this shit live. I want you guys to win. I'm trying to win too, you know what I'm saying? We all just come together. You see something going crazy, hey, let me know. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day, man. It's your boy Clark. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:25 a.m. Tomorrow's Thursday. I don't know if we have any news coming out. Let me see. Thursday. Let's see what we got. All right, so Thursday we only got retail sales at 8:30 a.m. So that shouldn't move the market too much. Damn, SPY crazy. Yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day, man. Y'all be easy, man. All right, man. Catch you later. Catch y'all later, man. Y'all be easy. Have a great one.